What the heck are you doing?
Eating vegetables.
Vegetables?
Yes.
What's the matter with you, son?
I know. Just wanted to try them.
Take time, do what you're gonna do, and just smile, you're gonna see it through. Your wings are gonna sprout and lift you off the ground. Oh no, take time, do what you're gonna do.
You're watching a Kittiesmama family vlog.
See it through, your wings are gonna
Dun 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 dun. Kittiesmama. Today we are going to a Splatoon event for Nintendo. And we're bringing our 3DSs for Street Pass. Street Pass signals for Happy Home Academy mostly. Pretty much. Look at my guy. So extremely cute. I had to pass Gracie's fashion check today. And film my outfit on Animal Crossing. So I don't even know. Hey Jonah, you have to do it 4 times. It was raining today, so
You have to take us to Grand Street stop already.
with that little Mandarinian hat. We always wear fruit hats. Yeah, because that's something we wear. Fruit hats are the best. The traffic's too crazy, so we got out of the Uber and now we're just walking. We also all let 3DSs here. Yep. For the street pass. Because we need that street pass. Yep. And we are about a block away, so we'll be there soon. So now we are at the Splatoon place and we're just going to go up in the elevator to the floor where it's happening. We're already getting street pass.
Yeah, we're already getting street passes.
Those green lights.
Yes. See those? Hold on. See those green lights right there? That means we're connecting to people that have stuff. Have stuff we want. Stuff we want.
Just animals.
You didn't bring it?
He did.
Oh, okay. They might have charges.
Daddy's wearing a Kirby shirt. It's awesome.
Daddy has on a Kirby shirt. Mommy does not.
I'm just wearing
I wanted one.
bright colors.
Bright colors for Splatoon.
This is for you. This is for you. This is for you. Welcome.
That's your dad.
That's Splatoon.
Oh, so
We all get
cool.
We're just here to make sure you guys enjoy it and all of its messy glory. Our new game is called Splatoon. So really, we're just going to let you guys hang out today and test it all out. At its core, Splatoon is an action shooter, and I know the description tends to make parents nervous, but don't worry. Instead of shooting at each other, they engage in a fun, messy battle to try and cover the playing field with the most ink before time runs out. So really, Splatoon might be the first action shooter that the whole family can enjoy together. It launches on May 29th exclusively on Wii U. So around this space, we have tons of different experiences for you guys to enjoy. Over here, we have Turf War. Right behind me, we have 1v1 Dojo. Single player campaign. We also have the new Splatoon amiibo figures, which you guys can see how they're used in the game. We also have my personal favorite, to see the games in real life weapon test area, where you guys can throw, splat, squirt, paint against the canvas. So we have our awesome game staff here that will turn you guys into a squid in no time. So if you guys have any questions, let us know. Thank you guys so much for coming, and may the best win.
So now we're at the Splatoon event, and they have like paint stuff, and there's more stuff over there.
Do you claim your turf with the paint?
Yes,
It's gonna get.
and we're gonna try to claim the most turf with our water paint.
What are you doing, Noah?
Playing a game.
Which version are you playing? It's like versus or what?
Just like one-on-one.
Pretty serious, Noah. Are you whooping him?
I think
He's probably pretty good. He's got a Splatoon t-shirt on. What do you do?
You ink stuff, and you win matches.
What's been your favorite part so far, Emma?
I like the group.
This is Emma's game face. Her concentrated game face.
versus Emma.
Noah's on the other team. Oh no!
Emma, Noah's against you.
1 minute left. Noah, did you know that your sister's on the other team?
Yeah.
Yeah, are you winning?
I assume so.
Think you're gonna win? Brother versus sister. It does look like there's more orange. I will have to say that. Let's see who won. Who won? Oh yeah! You won, Noah. Victory! Yeah, victory!
I was second place.
Victory! You were in second place. All right.
What's been your favorite part so far?
The single player one.
Look at this guy who's taking a picture of Jonah, and Jonah doesn't even know it. Do you like this one better?
Yes.
Yeah, which one is this?
Campaign.
Single player. Cool.
What are you doing?
I get to play. I get to play.
Mommy's game face. What's going on right here, Emma?
Mommy's playing Splatoon.
How's she doing?
I don't know, not that good apparently.
You beat Mommy for me?
Yep.
Thank you. I needed to beat Mommy.
Nope.
Oh! Something happened there. Are you whooping him now, Emma?
Yes.
Show him who's boss.
Doing a really good job too.
Got your game face on?
Yep.
A one-on-one?
Yes.
Was that fun?
Yeah.
What's your favorite mode out of all the 3 modes? You don't know? You don't have a favorite?
I don't know any of them.
Mommy played that one.
Should I go film
That's my favorite one.
That one's your favorite one? The team mode? 4-player Smash, but not Smash. 4-player Splatoon. 4 over there against 4 over here. 8 players. So what'd you think?
Well, it's pretty fun.
Which one did you play?
I did the 1v1.
1v1? How'd you do? Did you win?
I don't know.
You can't tell?
Hey, like
You
Jonah.
wanna go paint? Okay.
Yeah.
She's getting her gear on before she paints. Protective gear. Booties. One more round? Did you guys win or not win? Did you win? Yeah, you won. I've got a film over the front of the thing, so if it looks blurry, that's what it is. I don't want to get paint on the camera. Look, there's little splat guys. You excited to throw paint balloons?
Yeah.
Paint balloons.
Get up.
She's blue, and Jonah is orange. Okay. Go Noah! Go Noah! Good job! Good job! Noah, I think you won.
I don't think this is supposed to happen.
Who do you think won on yours?
Jonah.
Jonah won?
Maybe me.
I don't know. I kind of see more blue.
Oh, snap.
Oh, snap.
Oh, snap.
What?
Can you move the hair out of my face? Pull it behind my ears.
Like that?
Yeah. Oh.
Okay. That was awesome. You guys ready? sister's winning. Oh, Noah, you're doing good. 2, 1. Got messy. Yeah. Did you get messy too? Yeah. You got it on your pants?
Spawn killing. It's the most basic troll action. It's what you do whenever you stand next to the spawn point and then you wait for someone to spawn in. And when they spawn in, just kill them. They kill everyone else who spawns in.
That was somebody down there. You're driving that kid nuts down there, Noah. I heard they weren't very happy.
You hear them screaming.
Emma's gonna be jealous. She'll have her.
Come and get hers done.
She will. What just happened?
Stuff.
Dude.
Oh yeah.
Way cool. Right on your muscles.
Yeah.
Boom, Hulk. Ooh.
Look at that. So far, it makes me look like a snake.
Yeah.
Look.
You get some people?
Yep.
Did you get some new ones, Jonah?
Yep. I got a whole bunch of new ones.
I probably have them too, huh?
Yep.
How many?
I got like 8 on Animal Crossing. I think I got the same number as Jonah.
Like 8?
Yeah. Like 8.
You like this game?
Yes.
You want Splatoon?
Yep.
All right.
But we have finished at the Splatoon event and giant post office. Giant post office.
With big Corinthian pillows. Those are Corinthian. Do you know why those are Corinthian?
Because of why?
Because they have leaves and they're really intricate. That makes them Corinthian style pillars.
Underneath the street. All that cool stuff. We can tell we were getting close to Times Square because you can see tons of lights and jumbotrons. Little lights down there. We're gonna cook stuff on this grill ourselves with these tongs. I want to cook one. 45 seconds.
Yeah, on each side.
Is that well done or is it?
Probably not.
Sorry guys, we got hungry and didn't film. But now we're having s'mores. See, there's like a fire and everything. I think it'd be very difficult to touch our fire.
Don't make me touch it.
You're getting your stuff all over. Oh no.
No.
They caught their stuff on fire.
I'm using yours as heat.
Mine's on fire.
I passed mine over to you.
I love the smell of burnt marshmallow. But Daddy, that doesn't look very safe. Isn't this cute, guys? Somebody made like a little Lego figures of it. That's Emma, that's Noah, and that's Jonah. Isn't that so cute? Oh my gosh, that's so cute. See, we always look at your guys' stuff. We do. All of your fan videos and your comments and your tweets and your Instagrams. We look at all of it. And apparently we fight over getting to see it. That's what's happening right now.
This is a place called The Plant. Look at all the pretties. There's pretty stuff inside, pretty stuff right here, and a pretty thing right there. And who knows what it is?
I'm gonna guess it's either a club or it's art.
Please check in with security. I think it's a club wouldn't be like this though.
I don't know. It's kind of bright for
I think it's a
art gallery.
no, a business. Business. We're leaving Times Square and all this stuff.
Last time.
So thank you for watching today's vlog. Please comment, share, subscribe, thumbs up, plus and bye, Jimmy. Peace out, YouTube.
See you tomorrow, YouTube.
Your wings are gonna sprout and lift you off the ground. No, no, take time, do what you're gonna do. Just smile, you're gonna see it through. Your wings are gonna sprout and you will learn to fly.